Yo, it's your boy Quan, aka Dun. You done know what going away with another reaction video. Hurricane Wisdom on the radar freestyle. Before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe and drop a comment and let me know which other content you like for me to cover on this channel. Before we get into that, make sure you drop a follow over there. Where? Twitch. Make sure you go follow me on Twitch. We're doing live reactions over there daily. Make sure you go tap in. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yes, sir, baby. On the radar radio freestyles. Yo, Hurricane Wisdom in the building. I'm step out. He gonna step in. All right, let's go.
Tap in.
I get these drugs, calling granny, pray for me. This shit ain't make believe, I'm never where it's safe for me. I know I hang with folks just for you think about snaking me. This bitch ass take 100 before you think about taking me.
Catch 100.
Before you think about taking you. They say lousy dog, I don't wanna take too much from you. Say I do too much, but I just do what I can do. Take off and beat the roll, come back and beat the move. Ain't never need all, somehow I'm medium. Anytime that money call, you gotta know I'm coming through. Anytime my money fall, you gotta know that it's on you. You having money shower, tell me who did that for you. You listening to your folks, say how I'm bad for you. You know I do the most and they can't do the half you. Even though if I wasn't having, I probably wouldn't have you. Even though I get my heart, but that don't mean I had to.
It said most likely if I wasn't having, I wouldn't be having you. Like,
I get these drugs, calling granny, pray for me. This shit ain't make believe, I'm never where it's safe for me. Gotta know I hang with folks just for you think about snaking me. This bitch ass take 100 before you think about taking me. Before you think about taking you. They say lousy dog, I don't wanna take too much from you. Say I do too much, but I just do what I can do. Take off and beat the roll, come back and beat the move. When it goes how it goes, eyes closed off the drain, but I ain't been sleeping at all. Should be told I'm exhausted, but I'm finally grown, I'm finally young. But I guess every time I'm sober, I'm missing my own. But I guess every time I'm sober, I'm missing my folk. Yeah, I pour a fold and roll a 3, TJ, you not alone. I keep my phone on D&D, these drugs keep getting through. I get these drugs, calling granny, pray for me. This shit ain't make believe, I'm never where it's safe for me. Gotta know I hang with folks just for you think about snaking me. This bitch ass take 100 before you think about taking me. Before you think about taking you. They say lousy dog, I don't wanna take too much from you. Say I do too much, but I just do what I can do. Take off and beat the roll, come back and beat the move.
yeah, that shit was crazy, yo. Yo, I swear, like the song hit different anytime you could really like feel it. Like when you could actually connect to the song, like I swear that shit hit different. But, yo, that was another reaction, Fully Done TV. Make sure you go tune in to Twitch. We live every day. We out. Boom.